Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to message yourself on WhatsApp. WhatsApp recently released a new feature. You can easily message yourself. You can make a reminder for yourself. And to get the feature, first of all, make sure to update your WhatsApp app. Once done, go ahead and launch your WhatsApp and come to this chat section. Now tap on new message, and here at the top of contact list you will find your message yourself. Just tap on you and this will open your own conversation, and here you can message yourself easily. You can send any photos to this conversation. So this is how we can message yourself on WhatsApp. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.